Today, I'll show you how to install and import demo data in the Pooluxe theme. Log into your WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance, Themes. Click Add New, then Upload Theme. Now, upload the Pooluxe theme file. Click Install Now, then activate the theme. Next, install and activate the required plugins. Return to the WordPress dashboard. Then, go to Appearance, Import Demo Data. Click Import Demo Data and wait for the import process to complete. That's it! Your demo data has been successfully imported. Pooluxe is now ready for you to explore. Get Pooluxe today and start your business.